Welcome to my YouTube channel. And this particular video, I'm talking about this particular beautiful project called Oxin. Yes, we have actually been mining this particular, and I have a lot of important information to actually share with every one of us, which will actually help us and also position us for the second KYC that will be happening very soon. So before that, let me quickly share some certain important information which you need to know. And if you're able to watch the particular video to the very end, you will see when the second KYC will be happening. So if you want to start a particular project, I'll be dropping my referral link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community, it is free of charge. I'll be dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so that you get notified to upload any other new video. So as at now, you could see the current price of the token Oxin to USDT is around 0.23898 dollars. So in my previous video I actually bought some machine and I was able to understand some certain things about those particular machine. Now you could see this particular cloud, this one I bought it with actually $10, and they have the specific period of days which they will actually expire. I've been looking at something. This one now, if you're able to look at this very well, now it's showing 1 day. This one now I bought it with I think 25 Oxin, yes, and it's many 10 days. It started from, this was the one I even monitor very well. On the day I bought it, started from 15th. Yes, I can't remember the number of days. And this one, at the completion of this particular same credit that is doing, it always give me around 8 gems. Why this one give me around, this second one give me around I think 5 or thereabout. So multiplying 5 gems multiplied by the number of 15 days and what it actually give me, I think it's actually worth it. And from the look of things, I think after this one has actually expired, I won't be able to buy it again. And I think there will be needing me to buy another bigger one. And then this one is this one, which is lasts for 20 days, which is around 75 Oxin, and the mining speed is at 0.6. And this one I have was around 0.00. I think after that one I'll be buying the one of 30, which is around 200 Oxin. So if we come to my wallet section here, I've been doing some certain things here. Now this is my gems and this is my Oxin that I've actually converted. I'm sending my Oxin currently to my Oxin's account. Yes, to my Oxin's account, which I will show you and I will tell you the reason why I was doing that. And don't forget that when I bought the last machine, if you actually watch that particular video, I was thinking this is where my Oxin will be deducted since I was doing it on my Telegram. But all the accounts are already connected to each other, but it wasn't deleted from there. It was deleted from my Oxin account. So it was from here that my Oxin was actually deducted. It was from this wallet balance that it was actually deducted. And you can see in my last video I talked about the verified balance. Now, so let me show you the last gist which I actually say I have for you. So before that, let me quickly transfer some Oxins first because I'm sending it there. But let me quickly show you something first. So look at this particular information that was shared on June 14th. They say get ready for KYC phase 2. Prepare now to unlock total balance to verify Oxin for upcoming auction transfer. So this, as small as to say, I think a lot of people do not know it is very important. And you can see here they say new era. So this Oxin balance, this total balance that they are telling you that they will move to verified balance, is this verified balance that you'll be able to transfer to your Oxin wallet? Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the Oxin balance that they are actually talking about. This one, you can't do anything with it. So during the KYC phase 2, you'll be able to transfer this balance now to this particular verified balance, and it is verified balance that you'll be able to send to your Oxin wallet, that you'll be able to transfer. So if I tap on this particular one, you could see it says security requirement. You could see I can't transfer it. I can't transfer it. Another thing is that they have actually done a partnership with Bybit currently, that you'll be able to even send your Oxin and get USDT directly from Bybit. That I will be creating another video, but let me just show you the bridge. When you come to a particular place, which is say wOXIN conversion, so on that can only be working on your verified balance. But since I don't have anything on my verified balance, that's why you see is zero available. And you can see say from native Oxin, and they say the ratio is 1:1. Maybe I want to convert my Oxin to this wrap Oxin for me to be able to convert to USD. Let me say I say 200. You could see 200 Oxin will actually give me this 200 wrap Oxin, which I'll be able to say I bridge. And once it give me this particular wrap Oxin, you could see here now, then I'll be able to swap it to USDT. You could see say how to swap to USDT. This is another video which I'll actually be creating run. So if it was helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the notification so I get in time to upload another video. Thank you and bye bye for now.